you're going to have a question to solve by Cramer's rule. So don't forget, the first thing you want to do is to find the coefficient matrix. The coefficient matrix is the matrix of the coefficients. So you got a 2 by 2 matrix that is 6, 2, 5, 3. All right, and then you evaluate that coefficient matrix. If it is 0, you have to do something else. So 3 times 6 is 18, 2 times 5 is 10, 18 minus 10 is 8. Therefore, coefficient matrix is 8. Okay, we are told to solve this by Cramer's rule. And then you want to calculate the matrix of x. So anytime you want to calculate the matrix of x, your 2 by 2 matrix should be your constants. You replace x. So constant replaces x, and then you put y in the other. Okay, then let's evaluate this 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so we have 0 minus 10. 0 minus 10 is 10. Therefore, matrix of x is 10. Let's find the matrix of y, dy. On a 2 by 2 matrix, because it's a system in 2 variables, then wherever y is, you replace the constants. So I have 6, 2, and then y is supposed to be here, so I replace it with the constant 0, 2, 0, negative 2. Then evaluate the 2 by 2 matrix. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Negative 12 minus 0 is negative 12. All right, so now we are about to find the value of x. So what is the value of x? Value of x is dx divided by the coefficient matrix divided by d. And my dx is 10. My d is 8. So answer is 4 over 5. 4 over 5. 10 over 8 is 5 over 4. So I have 5 over 4 here, or 1.25, depending on how you're told to leave your answer. You can leave your answer as 1.25. So the value of x is 1.25 or 4 over 5. And then if you're told to, of course, you have to find y. So dy, we know dy to be negative 12.